Okay guys, we are back with another video. For today's video guys, we're gonna go on a breakfast ride here in Marilake.
Oh, yes.
So we're gonna go to a new coffee spot here in Marilake. It is Din and Diluca. So we're gonna go with Ducati Scrambler QC group that we are with in Takadang. So yan, we're just waiting for them. I don't know if they passed by now already or they still haven't passed Marcos pa. Just gonna share with you guys our new vlogging setup. So as you can see here, we are now using a DJI Action 4, our new vlogging camera. So before, I'm using a GoPro Hero 9. I think it's time to retire the GoPro Hero 9. So I will show you my new setup later, my new motovlogging setup later. So we are now using a Bluetooth mic, DJI Bluetooth mic with our camera. So I hope this will work well with our vlogging setup. So we're just waiting for the other guys. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, we are now on the way to Din and Diluca. So I don't know if you can still hear me using the Bluetooth mic with all the noise coming from the motorcycle. It's a very nice mic, because yesterday I tried it on the concert with high pitch and all. Very nice addition. So thank you kay Kuya Randy, because we bought this from Kuya Randy with the package of the DJI Action 4 and the DJI mic. So the camera alone will cost about around 20, and the mic I think it costs about around 8,000 pesos. So we bought this from Kuya Randy for only 15,000. So very nice deal, very nice package. Yeah, let's try to close the visor. Low. So this is the audio when the visor is closed. Sound check. And guys, today is a Sunday. That's why there's a lot of people going up Marilake. The Sunday GP as we call it. Alright, so guys, you know naman na kung ano yung itsura nitong Marilake. So see you later guys at Din and Diluca. Let's go! And guys, we are here now at Din and Diluca. So this is the bikes of Ducati Scram QC. Dito na nga sila. So yeah, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bikes. Meron pa pala dun. So I don't know kung how many people are on the So tara, let's go. Doon na sila. Yeah guys, so now we are here at Din and Diluca. So just wanna show you my new setup. So my new motovlogging setup. So this is my new DJI Action 4. So as you can see, clean setup. No wires on the outside. And the mic is just very small. So kiniklip ko lang siya dito sa ating Action 4 holder. So you can see, and clip on lang yan, clip on. Very nice kasi just secure it kasi so it will not fly away. And also there's a wind deflector, this one. Diba? Very nice. Or maybe I will buy an ND filters to make it more cinematic. Tapos, syempre, on motovlogging, you should, kasi I'm using two POVs. This one, the Action 4 and the DJI. So, tatansyahin natin kung parehas ng color grading ng Action 4 and Insta360. So maybe I'm planning to upgrade on Insta360 X3 or X4. Yeah. So hopefully mag-mix yung color niya sa You know, very nice. Happy with my new buy. Also with the Telesin mount. Very nice, secure. Walang kaalog-alog yan. Ayan, Velcro straps. But you can still you can still put external mic, wired mic also, basta type C wired mic. Maybe I'll buy another one kasi alam niyo naman sa vlogs natin, we're using mic for my voice and other groups like on the Cardo, so you can hear the other people on the Cardo intercom. Yan. And the nice thing also about this setup is using the Bluetooth mic. You can just put the action for anywhere, and the Bluetooth mic, kahit malayo ka, it can reach your voice clearly. So, and also with the wind protection, so very nice, diba? Para you can still put the camera in one position, and you can move from one place to another. Like, I don't know, tingnan natin kung gaano kalayo aabutin. Like this one, tingnan nyo, diba? Layo na, hindi ko alam kung clear pa rin, pero yun, very handy because the mic is small, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Yan, tingnan nyo yung palad natin. So very nice kasi you can just clip it. Tas there's also a magnet that is attached here, so very convenient, very nice, very easy to dala on your pocket. Yeah, so DJI, baka naman. Alright, okay guys, so we're now on the way back home. So this is just a short vlog about my new motovlogging setup. I hope you find this setup very nice kasi it's less hassle like the Bluetooth mic. Maybe I think the hassle part is when the DJI Action 4 is turned off for a long time, you must reconnect it. But other than that, it's a very nice setup. And the good thing about this DJI Action 4 is the battery life is very, very nice. So I've had it open like for 30 minutes and parang wala nagbago, parang wala nabawas. So yeah, and the audio quality is very crisp. And also you can adjust the gain of the Bluetooth mic. That's one nice thing. So guys, I'll put here the setup that I did on my camera, so maybe you can find it nice to put this setup on your camera also. Yeah, so maybe I'm thinking of buying a new Insta360, closer resolution to our DJI Action Cam. Yeah, so guys, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and comment down below your motovlogging setup. So maybe let's see if I can add something with my motovlogging setup. Yeah, maybe I'm planning to buy also a new vlogging drone, the Mini 3, so DJI Mini 3, so the same quality as this one. Yeah, so guys, chill breakfast ride with Ducati Scrambler QC. Thank you so much, Ducati Scram QC. Don't forget to stay safe and peace out. Woo!